Always feels like Christmas when I get a package from B&H, even when I know what's inside. Full disclosure, I paid for everything in this package. Didn't get sponsored by Rode or B&H, and to be honest, I'm really surprised that I did receive this already. So I actually pre-ordered the microphones on B&H, thinking that, you know, there's gonna be a short supply and they're gonna be gone in matters of seconds. So I wanted to make sure that I will have the microphones soon for one of the jobs that are coming up for me. But to be honest, I don't really need them until October now. So that's how I was anticipating it, that they're gonna be out of stock very fast. But I'm actually surprised that I got this package, and let's open it. So there's actually something more than just microphones in here, and that's a little surprise that I will show you now. So here's the receipt. So here's the wireless. It looks awesome. So I also ordered a SmallRig cold shoe that I can use on my Blackmagic cameras if I want to be in a really light setup. So let's have a look at this first. No, nothing crazy, but very useful piece of gear. So as you can see, I'm actually using a Rode microphone already. It's the very first one. It lasted me for years and it's still doing great. I love using it. I use it for different types of jobs that I still have, but recently I was looking to upgrade for a while. I was not really interested in the DJI microphones. No offense to DJI, I think if you're doing drones, maybe you should stick to that. I was actually very close to getting the wireless Go 2, and then the Wireless Pro got announced. That's why I kind of held off for a moment so I can get this new ones. So I'm not really gonna do too much of an unboxing here. If you really want to see what's inside, you can go to the official website and YouTube channel of Rode. They have everything over there, but wow, this actually looks amazing. So we got cable. So like I said, I'm not really going to be doing full unboxing over here because you can watch it on the official Rode YouTube channel. But wow, they actually look cool. Little screen. So, oh, they actually power up when you take them out of the case. Paired and connected, and it's already broadcasting. So like I mentioned before, I'm really happy with the first edition of wireless that I have, but I have a few jobs coming up in the future that will require me to mic up just more than one person, so that's why I upgraded to these. This little pouch. Ooh. So this is great. This actually comes with everything from the little magnets, the lavaliers, the cleaning cloth, little accessories. There we go, the lavalier mics. All the powering cables and connection cables that you can use for your phone. And then a lot of wind covers as well, which is great. So like I said, I was looking to upgrade for a while. What really got my attention is that we can get 32-bit float in the new receivers and new microphones. They record internally, which is great too. You know, always love a backup. And another thing that's really was interesting is the time code. I use Blackmagic cameras, so the time code is going to be great for interviews It's gonna help me sync the audio faster in post-production. Heard people complaining already that it's not a real time code. I would say I think it is. Obviously, if you want to jam sync the cameras with time code, there is more professional equipment for that. From what I know, I haven't tested yet. I will probably test it in the future. That I can just plug in and that I can sync the cameras with one receiver. By plug it in and out. Obviously, Rode is saying that you should at least refresh it every 4 hours. Definitely not going to be using them for so long to see the drift happen. I really like the cases. They feel more rugged, not plastic. Not planning to, but I'm pretty sure they can take a beating. I actually like that it's a zipper as well, so you can close it off. It's not gonna open. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. And now I'm just gonna cut to some setups of my Blackmagics with the microphones.